Florist's secret to keeping flowers fresh for a month without rotting. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Everyone loves the fresh, vibrant beauty of blooming flowers. Unfortunately, that joy often doesn't last long. Just a few days later, the flowers start to wilt, leaving us with regrets. Don't worry. Today, I'll reveal to you a super simple trick to help flowers stay fresh for a whole month, while also keeping the water in the vase clean and odorless. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. The method is surprisingly easy. Let's get started. You can use a glass vase, ceramic vase, or even a copper vase. If you have a copper vase, that's even better. Fill the vase with filtered or distilled water, about 1/3 to 2/3 full. Avoid using tap water as it may contain chlorine or other chemicals that can harm the flowers. The petals should not be crushed or wilted, and if there are buds, they should just open. Freshly cut flowers or flowers you just bought are best. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When choosing flowers at the market, observe from the base up. Fresh flowers are firm to the touch, and the leaves at the base are still intact and green. If the flowers are old, the seller will often cut or trim the base leaves to make them look better. Next, cut the flower stems to fit the vase and match the arrangement you want. Instead of cutting across, use sharp scissors to cut the stems diagonally at a 45-degree angle. The diagonal cut helps increase the water absorption area, thereby providing the flowers with better water. Next, remove the leaves that are below the water level in the vase. This prevents the leaves from rotting and contaminating the water, causing the flowers to fade quickly. Leaves decompose quickly, making the water cloudy and smelly, making it difficult to keep the flowers fresh for a long time. After preparing the flowers, do not rush to put them in the vase. Now prepare the ingredients. First is dishwashing liquid. Drop a few drops into the vase, not too much. Stir well. Dishwashing liquid helps kill bacteria, deodorize, and keep the water in the vase from smelling bad. Next, prepare 1 spoon of sugar. If the vase is large or you put many flowers, you can add more sugar. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Sugar provides nutrients and energy for the flowers, helping them stay fresh longer, maintaining their beauty. It also helps improve the ability to absorb water and prevent flowers from wilting quickly. In addition, sugar also supports photosynthesis, helping flowers retain their vibrant colors and stay fresh longer. The next very important ingredient to keep flowers fresh is copper wire or anything made of copper, such as coins, copper bars, or ideally a copper vase. If the copper wire is dirty or rusty, gently rub the surface with sandpaper or a scrubbing pad to clean it. This will allow the copper to release ions effectively into the water. You can also use copper wire from an electrical wire. Bend the wire into a spiral or decorative shape, or leave it straight. Place the copper wire in the vase, making sure it is completely submerged in water. Now you can start arranging the flowers. make sure the base of the flower stem is submerged in water and in contact with the copper. So why can a material that seems unrelated to flowers help prolong their life? Bacteria and mold are the cause of flowers wilting and rotting quickly. They grow in water, blocking the water intake in the flower stem, preventing the flower from absorbing water and nutrients, leading to dehydration and rapid wilting. Copper is a metal with natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. When copper wire is placed in the vase, a small amount of copper ions are released into the water. These ions act as natural disinfectants, killing or slowing the growth of bacteria and mold. This keeps the water in the vase clean and clear, creating the best conditions for flowers to absorb water and stay fresh for a long time. In addition, copper ions also help keep the water vessels in the flower stem from being clogged. Some studies show that copper prevents blockages caused by bacteria or dirt, helping flowers absorb water and nutrients better, thereby keeping them fresh for a long time. With this simple method and easy-to-find ingredients, your flowers can stay fresh for a month. If the water in the vase runs low, simply mix water with a little sugar and a few drops of dishwashing liquid, then add more. Place the vase in a cool place with natural light. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. But avoid direct sunlight or heat sources such as gas stoves, fireplaces, televisions, or strong winds from fans or air conditioners. Ripe fruit releases ethylene gas, which causes flowers to wilt quickly. So do not place the vase near fruit. If you love flowers, try this tip to enjoy the beauty of the flowers longer without worrying about the water having an unpleasant smell. If you have a copper vase, just add sugar and dishwashing liquid, and the flowers will stay fresh for a long time without rotting. If you want to increase the effectiveness of preserving flowers, you can add a small piece of copper wire to the vase every week. This is an extremely simple solution with only familiar objects in the house, allowing you to enjoy your favorite flowers for many days, even weeks. Even when you are away from home, you don't have to worry about the flowers wilting or smelling. What do you think about this tip to keep flowers fresh for a long time? If you have a better way, please share it in the comments. Thank you very much for your support. The video ends here. If you find it useful, please leave a comment, like, and share with your relatives and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.